Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the notification settings on Instagram. So first of all you have to go to the settings section, and here the second option is the notifications. So here you have different options. The first one, if you want to stop the notifications from Instagram, you can choose pause all, which with one click you will stop all the notifications from all the different aspects of the application for a set amount of time. For example, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Yeah, so if you have a meeting or class or anything, you just choose the right amount of time and then all the notifications will be stopped. But if you want to permanently deactivate notifications, for example for Instagram messages or for followers, followings, posts, stories, you can go and set everything for every single aspect of the application. So as you can see, I turned off the notifications from likes, turned off likes, comments, posts about me, photos of you, comments, likes and pins. Everything is turned off. But you can also go to setup to receive all the notifications, or you can set up to receive notifications only from people you follow. So maybe that's more important for you. You can go to the live aspects, live videos, IGTV videos, IGTV view counts. So really, you can set up really for everything. Fundraisers off. Oh. Yeah. And all the different aspects. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.